Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn how to apply a reversible work. How to apply a reversible work which is already calculated in the previous video lecture for a steady flow device. So we know that the reversible work, we know that for a reversible work, so know that what is the reversible work? Minus change in kinetic energy per unit mass minus change in potential energy per unit mass. So, right, if we, when the change in kinetic energy and potential energy are negligible, if you take these two change are negligible, that means change in kinetic energy and potential energy is negligible. So what is the equation? This is the reversible work is equal to minus I to E VdP, right? So this is reversible work, and this reversible work is applicable for both, for any reversible process which is a steady flow device. That means this is a this equation is applicable. What is that? What is the criteria? What is the criteria of this equation? Tell, what is the criteria? The criteria is that this is the reversible work output associated with an internally reversible process in a steady flow device. Steady flow device, right? In a steady flow device. So if it is given, so if it is given, uh, so the compression is what? The compression is liquid. So the compression is liquid. So what is the inlet condition? This is the inlet condition, right? So at this condition, pressure 100 kilopascal and temperature 20 degrees centigrade, you calculate a specific volume of this at this particular point. At inlet you have from table, what is that? From table, from water table, right? From water table you have calculated it. Now if so, the liquid is approximately incompressible, right? So the liquid is approximately incompressible. So take, so for that, for inconvenient we can write like that, but water in phase of liquid. Why? Because pump handles always liquid and liquid is incompressible, right? So what is the Vi is same equal to Vf. Vf this is saturated at what pressure? 100 kilopascal. So at this pressure, from the table, what is that? 0.001043 meter cube per kg. So you have Vf, right? So if you take, it is incompressible, so we can take outside from it reversible. This is outside I2 E, right, dp. So this gives the approximate value, approximately constant. So what is that? Minus Vf at 100 kilopascal, P exit minus P inlet, and what is the P exit is given? P exit is 2.5 megapascal. What is the P inlet is given? P inlet is 100 kilopascal, right? So from these to this we calculate reversible work, right? So this is a reversible work. What we will find the pump power input. So this is the work input, So for power input, this is kilojoule, per kg, this is kilojoule per kg. So power input, what is that? W dot, what is that? M dot into W reversible. This is power input. So you have M dot. What is M dot? 100 kg per minute. So you change it is in kg per second. So you change in kg per second, multiply it with, so it is your kg per second, kg per kilojoule per second. So this is your minus. Why? Because this is the minus value. So this is your minus 4 kilowatt. So this is the pump input, right? Now if we apply TDS equation, so this is your inlet, some observation, this is your exit. So this is exit and this is inlet. So since from all engineering application, pump will take reversible and adiabatic. So what is entropy at in is the same entropy at exit, reversible adiabatic. So if you want, what is the enthalpy at the exit? H2, HE. If you found HE is what? And HI is given. This is given. So apply TDS relation. TDS is equal to DH minus VDP, right? And this is isentropic, so this is 0. right? So what is that? dH is equal to VdP, and you have VdP, you have VdP, you have calculated. So what is that? He minus Hi is equal to, you have VdP, right? And you have Hi, so He is, you have to calculate it, kilojoule per kg. So enthalpy at exit you easily found out from this relation, easily found out from this, no problem. So this is your enthalpy, exit enthalpy. So this type of calculation will keep in mind, always keep in mind. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.